Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a homemade whipped body butter. It's super easy to make at the comfort zone of your home and suitable for all skin types, and best of all, it leaves your skin soft and glowy. If you want to see how I make this amazing body butter, then keep on watching. My base for this recipe is shea butter. As we all know, shea butter is safe for all skin types. It softens the skin and it is great for hydration and calms the skin as well. So I'm transferring my shea butter into my mixing bowl. So next, I'm going to melt the shea butter using double boiler method. Always use double boiler method when you want to melt your shea butter and avoid it from direct heat. My next ingredient is castor oil, which helps in restoring the skin's natural moisture balance. It also prevents wrinkles, reduces puffiness, and reduces acne as well. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the castor oil. My next ingredient is vitamin E, which is a way to naturally try to preserve your shea butter for a little longer and takes care of the skin and also minimizes or prevents the appearance of scars. So I'm going to add half a tablespoon of the vitamin E. Next ingredient is jojoba oil, which is an effective skincare product which must be added to your everyday routine. It treats sunburn, acne, and penetrates the skin for deep hydration. And I'm adding half a tablespoon of the jojoba oil or jojoba oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which moisturizes and protects the skin. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. Mix the oils and refrigerate it for 10 minutes. And this is how it looks after 10 minutes. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and make sure to share this video as well. So after the 10 minutes from the refrigerator, next I'm going to use a hand mixing machine to whip by incorporating air into this mixture. And I'm going to continue till I notice that the mixture is kind of double in size and fluffy. I know sometimes you see a recipe online and say, oh, this recipe is great, but you're never going to try it out. Please don't do that with this recipe. I beg you. Just try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you watch this video to this end. And our luxurious homemade whipped body butter is ready now. And this body butter is specially for those who have damaged skin due to using bleaching creams or harsh creams or harsh chemicals. This is for you. Just try your best and use this body butter for me, and make sure to let me know what you think in the comment section. So all you have to do is get an airtight container and transfer your body butter into it and wait for maybe 20 to 30 minutes for it to be hard. Thank you for watching this video to this end. Please make sure to turn on your notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video. See you next time. Bye.